we lived in the Bronx when they first came over, and then moved to Brooklyn, first in Brighton Beach. It was a very big Yiddish center and Jewish. And then ultimately we moved to Sheepshead Bay, which was close by. And we lived there and grew up in Brooklyn, in Sheepshead Bay. And it was, I would say it was really interesting. You know, we grew up, our families were friends. My father had a lot of intellectual friends come and visit us all the time. Our neighbors were Jewish, Italian, you know.
It's a very mixed area.
Mixed neighborhood. And we grew up very well rounded because of that. And my father's views on the world were very, very strong. He was, I would say, he was very hawkish in general. And he would love to have political discussions all the time. Yes. And I think it sort of made a very deep impression on me. I'm sort of a political junkie now because of it.
He had a lot of intellectual colleagues come to the house. I don't know if you know the original, I don't know if it was the original, but one of the editors of the Forward was Simon Weber. And he used to come over once a week. My mother would entertain with coffee and cake. And they would have other friends and constantly, you know, get together for dinner, coffee. And they used to go down to the Lower East Side, I remember when I was younger, to a hangout for literary people. It was called Cafe Royale. You know it? Yeah. And they used to do that, like, I think every Saturday night. They used to go down there. And I would babysit for you.
Yeah. I appreciated that very much.